smoked cheesy bacon potatoes. Okay, we've got a mail call today, and today's mail call is from Steve Ball, the Big Cheese. Now, Steve doesn't have a YouTube channel, but he does have a Facebook page, and his Facebook page is Steve Ball, the Big Cheese, all one word. If you want to go find him and follow his page, there he is, Steve Ball. And we're going to get him on the beer fridge with everybody else. Okay, so the sticker that I showed you was actually almost like a glass decal. It wasn't an actual sticker, so he did send me several, and here's a sticker. So we're going to get a sticker up here on the beer fridge. Thank you, Steve, and anybody that wants to go follow him, again, it's Steve Ball, the Big Cheese, and we're going to place him right here. All right, Steve, there you are. You're on the Beer Fridge Hall of Fame. All right, now let's get back out to the cook. Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. Today I'm going to bake some potatoes in the Pit Boss in the Pro Series 1100, and then I'm going to show you what we're going to do after we get them baked up. Okay, so we're going to do our potatoes right on the grate. We're just going to let these go for about an hour or so. We'll go from there. We've got a little treat for you. Okay, our potatoes have been in for about an hour and a half. They're not completely soft. You don't want them completely soft. You want a little bit of firmness to them. So we'll get these off, take them inside, show you what we're going to do next. I like that method. There they are. Okay, now we're going to do twice baked potatoes, and if you don't know how to do that, you just cut the tops off of the potatoes. And once you get all the tops cut off, you can cut them in half if you want, but I just cut the tops off, scoop out the middle, get all the potato out of there. Not all, you leave a little bit as a little rim. And once you get all the potatoes in there, scooped out, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. 1, 2, I'll cut this one in half, 3. And I'm going to add some cream cheese and make it nice and creamy and cheesy. A block of cream cheese. And you want to get that all mixed in. Once you get it mixed a little bit, then you get the hand blender. You want to make it nice and smooth. And what I didn't show is I added a 1/4 cup of milk. Make it nice and smooth like this. So once you get it all nice and smooth, you can add whatever you want. I didn't have green onions, so I didn't add those, but I am going to add bacon. Nice crispy bacon. Get that all stirred in. And then I'm going to add a little bit of cheese, maybe half a cup. Make them cheesy. And then of course I'm going to add my garlic pepper. Gotta have my garlic pepper, it's the best seasoning. Get it mixed up. And then you just get your potatoes and stuff the filling back inside. Just like this. You get them, put them in a pan. And once you get them all done, they look like this. And then I'm going to add some cheese on top. And then we're going to put them back in the pellet smoker, pellet grill, and put them on for about 20 more minutes and let the cheese melt. We're going to put them back in. Look at that. They're all over full. Which is awesome. So we're going to put it back in for another 10-15 minutes, maybe 30, probably 30 to let the cheese melt. We will be back in about 20 minutes. Oh, look at that. Okay, we're going to pull them out. We'll enjoy them. All right, there we go. Twice baked, smoked, cheesy bacon potatoes. Twice smoked, cheesy bacon potatoes on the Pit Boss Pro Series 1100. Thanks for watching. You know they're going to be good. I'm just not going to bite into them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and we'll see you on the next cook.